The first look at the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 has finally been revealed, and it's clear that Samsung is offering more than expected while still holding back in key areas. The leaks were shared by OnLeaks and Android headlines, and at first glance, the device appears nearly identical to its predecessor, the Z Fold 6, but a closer look reveals significant upgrades. The most striking change is the display size. Samsung is pushing boundaries with the largest screen ever seen in a book-style foldable. The Z Fold 7 features an 8.2-inch inner display, surpassing the Oppo Find N5, which previously held the record with an 8.12-inch panel. This is a major leap from the Z Fold 6 and even larger than the Special Edition model. One of the biggest criticisms of Samsung's foldables has been the limited increase in screen real estate compared to traditional smartphones, but this new model changes that perception entirely. The cover screen is also getting an upgrade, increasing from 6.2 inches to 6.5 inches. More importantly, it is now significantly wider, bringing it closer to the aspect ratio of a regular smartphone. The device is 11 millimeters wider when unfolded. Additionally, leaks also suggest that the phone is noticeably thinner. When folded, it measures just 9.5 millimeters, and when unfolded, it's only 4.5 millimeters thick. While this is a major improvement over the Z Fold 6, it's still not the thinnest foldable on the market, as the Oppo Find N5 retains that title. On the camera front, Samsung is making major strides by including a 200-megapixel main sensor, the same one found in the S25 Ultra. However, the lack of a periscope zoom camera is a noticeable omission. Instead, Samsung is sticking with a 3x telephoto lens, which prevents the device from having the ultimate foldable camera setup. Interestingly, Samsung has decided to keep the under-display camera for the inner screen. This feature was removed in the Special Edition but remains on the Z Fold 7. While it provides a cleaner display, under-display cameras are still far from delivering high-quality images. The 4-megapixel sensor remains unchanged, and there's little indication that Samsung has made any significant improvements to its performance. The Z Fold 7 retains the same 4,400 mAh battery as its predecessors, which raises concerns given the significantly larger displays. Logically, a larger screen demands a higher battery capacity, but Samsung has chosen not to increase it. However, the Special Edition model had a similar battery life to the Z Fold 6 despite the same capacity, so with a more efficient chipset, the Fold 7 should at least match its predecessor in endurance. But the decision not to increase the battery capacity is understandable, as it would have added weight and thickness to the device. In addition to this, recent leaks by Panda Flash Pro have confirmed that the new S Pen for the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is slightly thicker than the one used with the Z Fold 6. He also has confirmed that production for foldable support S Pens is set to begin in June, with availability specifically for the Galaxy Z Fold 7, which is expected to launch in July this year, with an estimated price tag of around $1,899.